So traders, hope you guys had a wonderful trading week. I hope you guys did all that you had to do so you can level yourself up and so you can boss yourself up. And I far most importantly, pray and hope that you had a wonderful month of March and you had the first wonderful first quarter of 2025. But this is your boy Harlem King COT, and I'm back again with another video. And on today's video, I'm gonna be sharing to you guys possible weekly direction or an insight into what might be happening looking forward to the coming week off. I think from the 31st of March up and until the 3rd or the 4th, yeah, the 4th of April, just to show you guys that we've ended March and we've ended our first quarter. Now we're approaching April and we're approaching our second quarter. It shows that this is the right time for us to log in and put in the work and do all that we have to do so we can get the results that we're destined to get. But before we hit the charts, make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you share the video, leave a comment, click the link to sign up with the broker that I trade with, and I'll recommend. If you want to buy an affordable prop firm, you can still do that by clicking the link that I've left down below of my prop firm that I highly recommend and trade with. Or if you're looking for an in-person mentorship course, a one-on-one or a legitimate Forex mentorship course, then I guess you can take this opportunity to take my number, give me a WhatsApp or give me a call or take my Instagram number or take my Instagram link and go ahead and DM me or take my email or send me an email or just comment down below down there on my comment section that you're interested and let us in the CUT Academy team do the rest from there. But without further ado, let me share this wonderful gems. Let me prepare you guys for the next month. Not only the next month, but for the next quarter of 2025, right? But it all starts now. So, our first pair will be the NAS. So, looking at the structure of the NAS, you guys can clearly understand that we had a simple indication that Nasdaq has resistance and Nasdaq has support. We're only looking to put our money to work above our support and below, up above our resistance and below our support. If we don't get something like that, then I guess we'll be bullish above support and be bearish below resistance. So, looking at our current structure, the week clearly opened with a break above our resistance. And obviously, as the week went by, price had a break below and a retest below, and it this clean push to the downside, right? So now that you can see how the NAS is looking, and now that you can see where prices ended our trading week, all I can say to you guys is very simple. Our trade idea will be very simple. Based on where price is on our board, is on our resistance. We had multiple reactions below our support zone. I mean, with multiple reactions above our support, all we're going to be looking for the coming week will be very simple. This will be our trade idea. We'll be looking to be more bearish based on our current structure. Current structure is bearish, and the only thing that we're going to be focusing on is to continue bearish below our very same zone. Do you guys get that? Or be bullish above our very same zone. If price doesn't violate our support to be bearish, or if price doesn't violate our resistance to be bullish, then I guess we can stick to our very same anticipation where we be bullish above support and we be bearish below resistance because price doesn't violate our strong support and price doesn't violate our strong resistance. With that being said, we simply look to be bearish below, we simply look to be bullish above support and be bearish below resistance. But our trade idea is very simple. We're simply looking for a break above or a break below to be bearish, a break above to be bullish. And that will be the way we're simply keeping it in the COT Academy team. Without further ado, let's hit the second pair, which is gold. So gold, you guys clearly understand that gold will forever create all-time highs this year. Just to be quite frank with you guys, gold will forever create all-time highs this year. One, price at this all-time high resistance, right? And obviously with this push phase, in an exhaustion phase, in this continuation push phase, now that we're waiting for confirmation to our coming trading week, this confirmation will be mainly based on us having to see that if price has a push in an exhaustion phase and a continuation push in any way, shape, or form, there's a high possibility the price might look to do what to give us an exhaustion phase before we can look for an anticipation of those new highs. And if you look at this typical example that I'm showing you guys, price at this push in this exhaustion, and now prices this push. All we're now going to be looking for the coming week, well, our anticipation for the coming week, it's that if price gives us a pullback or an exhaustion phase and gives us signs that we still are looking to continue bullish, then I guess we're going to take our bullish anticipations to the upside based on what we say. Price as a push and an exhaustion, a push and an exhaustion, and a continuation push. That's all we're gonna see. But without further ado, we're simply waiting for confirmation to see what is gonna happen. Is price gonna give us a pullback to continue, or might price continue moving to the downside, trading below our previous all-time high? We just don't know about that. But without further ado, last but not least, we're having USD CAD. So USD CAD might somehow look green over the coming week, even though we still don't have a trade idea. So this it's based on what? This is based on us having to understand that this is our support zone. If you haven't checked out our midweek insights, then I guess you can take this opportunity to go check it out so you can see how we spotted out the support and how we have anticipated possible moves above this very same support if price fell to break below this very same support. Do you guys get that? So just like I said, USD CAD has been moving choppy for quite a few weeks right now, right? So now that we still are waiting for confirmation, just like we are on gold, this confirmation is mainly based on us having to understand the equivalency of USD CAD and how USD CAD has been moving, right? For one, USD CAD has this support zone, and with price having this support zone, all we now can look forward to, it's very simple. If price gonna give us a break below the support with an anticipation of that dollar weakness and that Canadian dollar strength, then I guess we're gonna look to be bearish below this very same support. But if price looks to be somehow bullish above the support, then I guess we're gonna look for those moves to be bullish above support. But at the same time, price has been creating highs, right? So based on this previous high, that okay, based on this previous high and looking at our current price where price has reacted on our previous high. And with that being said, all I can also say is just to show you guys, just to give you guys another tradable idea, another trade idea on USD CAD based on the two that I've already shared to you guys. Price has this current high, price at this high, and price has this current high, meaning we couldn't violate our previous high. And with that being said, if it happens that price does give us a violation, then I guess we can still continue moving to the upside. But if price doesn't give us a violation, then I guess we're gonna wait to see what is gonna happen on our support zone. But I still stick to this. We're waiting for confirmation, and this confirmation is based on us having to see is price gonna give us a break below our zone to continue bearish, or will price give us a fail to violate to be bullish, or based on our current high, will price violate this current high to continue moving to the upside, or will price fail to violate and gives us more confirmations of us having to wait and see what is going to happen further from what price is showing us. We just don't know. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, guys, this will be what I'll be looking to share to you guys for the coming week. This will be what we'll be willing to put our money to work on for the coming week. Remember, guys, this is not financial advice. These are just anticipations and these are just opinions that I share to you guys from YouTube. So I can update you guys and show you guys what other traders are looking forward to and how other traders look for their trading setups and their trade ideas. Do you guys get that? But without further ado, thanks for everything. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the support. Thanks for the unity. Thanks for the dignity. And thank you so much for the numbers. I see the numbers increasing and I'm forever grateful for it. But without further ado, this is your boy Harlem, King COT, and I'm going to catch you guys on the next one.